Okay, here we go, Rita. We're doing Texas sledding down an icy driveway. Woo! You gonna go, Miles? Tommy, go with Miles. What, baby girl? I saw that. Was it fun? Okay, let's get Miles. This is my kid's first time ever seeing snow. And there's not much of it. Miles! Look at Mama!
Go look at Mama!
Steve, can you help me get one?
Why do you keep taking them off?